Dear IOCians, many of us are feeling anxious right now about the evolving situation of COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic is still not over. We may have unlocked ourselves, but we are still not out of the pandemic. Multiple waves of this infection are seen across the globe. In India, although we are seeing reduction in the number of COVID-19 cases, but we might see multiple peaks if we are not taking due precautions and become complacent about the whole situation during this festive season and the approaching winter. So please avoid visiting crowded places or the situations in which there is possibility of close contact with people, as it is the most serious source of infection. Don't take COVID 19 lightly. Every one of us is vulnerable to catch this infection. COVID 19 is just not a respiratory illness. SARS CoV 2 is a highly contagious virus. If your immunity is low, if you smoke, if you are obese, if you are an elderly, and if you are suffering from comorbid conditions like diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, or high cholesterol levels, you are at a higher risk of getting infection and having a delayed course of illness. COVID 19 infection downregulates our immune system. It can cause sudden rise in inflammatory markers leading to COVID pneumonia, thrombosis, and clotting of blood vessels, resulting in multiple organ damage. Post COVID syndrome could be the next crisis in this pandemic due to the after effects of this illness, which may persist due to rise in inflammatory markers in our body for weeks and months, thereby increasing the morbidity even after recovery from COVID 19 infection. Hence, it is always better advisable to practice and propagate COVID appropriate norms. Prevention from infection and early detection is the key for a smooth recovery from this illness. Have a positive and proactive approach to mitigate the whole COVID situation. Remain calm and take care of both anxiety and depression due to psychological effects of COVID 19. Self monitor your health and do not delay the symptoms of common cold and flu during this season. Seek for medical advice if symptoms are not relieved and get yourself tested for COVID 19. Early RT PCR testing and identification for SARS CoV 2 virus can help in suppressing the transmission of virus by isolation, by early initiation of medical management, home isolation protocol, or hospitalization if it is required, and early smooth recovery from the illness. Early detection, right medical management at right time can prevent lots of COVID 19 complications and unfortunate deaths. This is very crucial for maintaining the productivity of workforce and maintaining smooth business continuity. Let us all stay safe and stay healthy. Thanks.